Well, good morning, everyone. Today we'll be talking about Money Africa movement. What Money Africa movement is all about. What Money Africa is all about. That is today's presentation. And I know that after the presentation, you will have a lot to say and a lot to do. Stay tuned. What they talk about on Money Africa. What they talk about is really sense making and really educative. They talk about everything you need to know about finance, how money works, the behavior of money, the way money think, and what can money do for you with the little you have. Because the truth be say, nobody get two head. Bill Gates not get two head. Donald Trump not get two head, na one head he get. Warren Buffett not get two head, na one head he get. So with Money Africa movement, there are a lot of things you will see, and there are secrets that will be revealed unto you. Then you will know how money works, how you can use the little money you have. 500 naira, 10 naira, 20 naira, 100 naira can make you wealthy, can make you rich. Let me say, no put word for mouth, they don't put word total for my mouth. I tell you, with Money Africa movement, Money Africa, since I joined them this year during the lockdown, I know wetin I don't get. Wetin I don't get through them, the knowledge wey I don't get. So I go walk you through. I go take on one after the other, more una understand the journey of Money Africa and Money Africa movement, because the two are the same. Money Africa is the website. The Money Africa movement is the Telegram group name. I will show now everything wey I need to understand. Wetin they dey discuss for the group. So, but basically, I will show you what the basic thing that is being done on the group, what Money Africa impart to you, what is the major drive, what is the objective of Money Africa. We are more right on. You will see am. Too much of English, not the sweet. Okay, na as e be. Just use your own eye, read down. Use your own eye, understand them. They talk about low risk, medium risk investment, high risk investment. What you should invest in. You can split in different ways according to risk. Now be say wetin dey try explain is say wetin you fit invest in, wetin you fit invest your money, wetin you fit use your money do. Na be Money Africa. Na the sense they get. So na the sense now they dey impart give everybody. Low risk investment such as government bond, treasury bill may not earn you much, but they will keep your capital intact. Na as e be. Low risk. Who get money dey fear to invest your money, go for government bond, treasury bill. And inside this Money Africa, they will teach you all the government bond, treasury bill. You need to know how to invest in them. There are medium risk investment such as blue chip shares. This one are shares they talk about in the group, in the Telegram group. You will see it on their website. You will see that. I will take you step by step so you understand them. This take it a step further. They earn you as much better return compared to low risk investment. That also means you could lose a bit of your money in short term. That is medium risk. Okay, let's go to high risk investment such as cryptocurrency startup. You can earn a very good return. You can also lose money very swiftly. Now that's it. Just like American stock, US stock is high risk investment. So we will go one after the other. We will understand everything. We will understand everything. I'll try my best. And I know say your best will come as you too, you will make the money to you will invest. To waste money anyhow. Money Africa is here for us to save. Okay, now I'll be showing you the website, Money Africa website, and the privileges you get with the website. Now for the website is this. Before I take you to the website is there are two packages on the website on Money Africa. One is 6 months, one is 1 year. I joined early March. I paid Then the price was 6 months was 6,000 naira. Then 1 year was 10,000 naira. Before I fit invest, before I fit pay that subscription, I no lie for you. I say 10k to go through 10k for this Money Africa. I go gain anything. I always scam 10k. Then for a year, but now e don increase. 6 months is 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira. 1 year is 20k. That is to show how productive Money Africa is. And wetin they can't do another package when sweet me again. That one is one-on-one. That one a one-on-one package, 50k. They will take you in total, in and out of all the investments. They will hold you for hand. You know, say mama wey wan pikin for hand, e dey sweet well well. Dey drag am. But the one wey mama dey waka or pikin dey waka, you the next papa mama go say, come make you no dey waka fast, come make come. E no dey hear at all. You know say there be two different movement, two different understanding. The one wey mama hold hand, no pikin for hand dey waka, and the one wey mama dey waka, pikin dey follow am for back. Na two different things. Mama and her pikin, but na two different motives. So Money Africa, they will teach you that, and there are a lot of videos on Money Africa that you will watch and you'll be enlightened. Then Money Africa movement Telegram groups. There are two groups. The main Money Africa movement group, and the Money Africa class. Two different groups. One, people they will interact. For the Money Africa movement, wow, it's a mind blowing. People they learn things, and they learn. You see different minds of different business. Even people they outside the country, Nigeria, they invest too. You know, in Nigeria, they claim we be boss, more money, don't go buy beer. You can then, you know, get sense. Poverty no hard. Poverty is very, very easy. So many Nigerians, let me see, the truth is 95, 100% of Nigerians, 97% of Nigeria are poverty mentality. If now the 3% place now they get money, they make wealth. That's why you see rich. They say the rich will continue to get richer and richer. The poor get poor and poor, and it's true. That is the fact. But with Money Africa, nobody go poor again because they will give you sense. So let us go to the website, to the main site, go and see for ourselves. Okay, this is Money Africa website, the moneyafrica.com. Explorer, forum, calculator, login, registration. You see, distance is not a limitation factor. So they tell you connect with thousands of Money Africa users. They see the common financial. So you see they see na sense, everything na sense. This is what they tell you. This is everything. And the way the website be, as they will package your mentality, package your money, so you will think. Now, the good thing about the site is Money Africa is this. When you register, you sign up. Okay, let me show you. Let me register. I'm already a member already. I want to log in. Oh, sorry. Log in. Sign in. Okay. Now I've logged in now into the system now. So want a topic discussed, drop a suggestion for expatriate. So you drop a suggestion, they impact to you, they give you feedback on your question based on your question. Let me tell you the truth, Money Africa is interactive. They tell you sharp what to do. Now Explorer, forum, you click on this. Now it will take you to a video page on still Money Africa. Then you have personal finance and business finance. Under the personal finance, they talk about so many videos. They talk about treasury bill, agri-tech, inflation, risk and return, how to apply for a scholarship, mutual fund, stock investing for beginners, how to get unclaimed dividends. There are so many videos that you can watch after you've subscribed, you've paid. Now 6 months is 20,000 naira. A year, no, 6 months, sorry, 6 months is 10,000 naira. A year is 20,000 naira. So when you pay that subscription fee, you have so many videos to watch to build yourself. Now business finance, for now there's no video on business finance, so it's still working on personal finance. So personal finance, You watch videos, you are enlightened. These videos are free. You can watch them. As long as you pay the subscription, you can watch them. Watch all of them. Watch all of them. Now, okay, let me take you to the site. So I googled one thing about Money Africa. When you Google Money Africa on Google, you will see a lot of search on them. For them, make your dream come true. Popular way of earning money. See, but this one might not be authentic. Oh, so shine your eye, because I'm talking about Money Africa. They put money as I click Money Africa. All these sweet things come outside. This is their group. Money Africa. This is the main group. This is them. This is their address. This is their phone number. You can also get them on Telegram, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This is their Twitter accounts, Instagram account. You can follow them up, ask them questions. I do ask them questions and they give me feedback. Now let us go to the Irikuku, the Telegram group. Now, this is the Telegram group, Money Africa group. You see, different people, different kinds of people from Nigeria, outside the country, they come together, talk about investment, business. Also, you see pictures, some funny pictures, some pictures that will make you laugh, of what they are doing for living, how finance has made investment has made them to live life free. They talk about the group is so nice, it's so interactive, and every Sunday there's always an book review. And what is a book review? They talk about finance, books on great men, like books like Rich Dad Poor Dad. They talk about the book. They bring the book every chapter by chapter, from one to the end, from the chapter one to the end. They talk about it. They streamline every line for you, so that you understand what you are reading the book. So by the time you download, you have a knowledge. Your brain don't format. As you read the book, your brain dey format. Your level dey change. That is the simple. The truth is about life is, what makes a man is determined by the books you read. Books wey you don read. It is a knowledge, like Papa Oyedepo, him go always dey talk am say the secret to a man na books. Books. Dey read your book. We no dey read, that's the truth. We here we no dey read. Na make am you dey see poor people everywhere. And on the group they talk about wealth, how you can make wealth, low risk investment, medium risk investment, and high risk investment. They talk about everything on this group, Telegram group. You see different people with different investment ideas. People wey don do investment, they come, they tell you about their story to encourage other people to invest, to make that move too. On agri-tech, stock, local stock, foreign stock, so many. Let me tell you the truth, 95% of the people on Money Africa movement group, they invest for stock. They dey make am. You see result, testimony dey drop. People dey drop in testimony. How far? There was a time they did based on returns. Your returns, is it above 200%? People started talking. For this COVID-19, people say money no dey. People dey get money through Money Africa. Okay, look at it. Good evening, everyone. Money Africa Book Club, that is book review every Sunday by 7 p.m. every Sunday. Venue here. So okay, this is the book they talked about, The Millionaire Fast Lane. So these books are very, very good. When you read them, you understand so many things. And let me take you behind the group. Look at it, notification, photo, videos, files. These files, when you see these files, that are the most books that you need to read, finance. Then audio, you wey no sabi to dey read, when you join the group, books that you no fit dey read on this millionaire fast lane. Their books, they don make am like mp3, so no need for you to go buy the book. If you be the person wey no sabi dey read, you come there, you download, you listen to the mp4, mp3. These are sharing links. People share links of investment they've done that has benefited them. That's what they do on this group. And also this Money Africa group on Telegram is not only the group. They also have another one. This is a Money Africa class. This one, they had you know so many things. For example, this is a question that somebody asked them on this, so they gave the person feedback, which is a good thing. that you need to know why the importance of Money Africa. And the good sweet thing about Money Africa is this: when you join, you subscribe, they send you every day newsletter on your email, important breakthrough, insight, information that you need to know. When you read it, you understand it. That is good thing about Money Africa. That's why I'm so proud that I thank God I joined Money Africa. And that 10K no be regret. Even my subscription expire next year, 21st. Oh boy, I dey invest. I will subscribe again because it's very rich. I won't lie for you. It's very, very rich. Money Africa, the group, they will tell you a lot of things. So I want you guys to subscribe. Come and see for yourself. They teach you how to invest in stock, real estate, agri-tech, farming, eh? Eurobond, bonds. They let you know. They tell you everything. And Money Africa don't make life easy for so many of us here. We don't join with the test and we dey see them. Like me, I no lie for you. See, is there any investment I can start with at least 100K? This is a question that somebody asked. See, now they don't drop them. They don't tell them. I want to invest 500K in real estate. I have two options: to go with right platform or this one. I did this right platform. I know what I'm benefiting. So my brother, please, it's life in assurance. If you won't be poor, you go poor. If you won't rich, you go rich. Now here I join my cousin. So please, people are making it and I want you to make it. Stop wasting your money on unnecessary things. God bless you. Right? Money Africa. Money Africa is the jelly. Now they talk. You need to invest your money wisely. The funny thing be say naira and dollar. See dollar the rate dey go up. Naira still remain the same. Naira dey go up against dollar. Dollar dey remain the same. Can you imagine 2000 dollar naira 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 to a dollar then and $150 to a naira. But now wetin dey happen now? 460 something, 460 something. So more wake up. Money Africa is a great thing. Let us start. Please. God bless you. Thank you very much.